Doba is back once again with yet another feature which is pretty good, and it's gonna be really useful for beginners. It's this gamification feature, and this is a 15-day challenge. And if you're just starting out, if you want to deal with dropshipping and you have no idea or you just know a little bit, well, this is going to be for you, because they're going to teach you along the way and give you some rewards and make your start easier. So it's here to help new retailers come and learn about dropshipping and learn about how Doba functions in a fun and structured way, because you see there's a 15 of these buttons, one for each day. And first of all, they're going to explain to you what dropshipping is, what Doba is, and Doba is, by the way, the best platform to dip in right now if you want to go with dropshipping. They've got many features, and I'm going to talk about some of these features later on. But first of all, dropshipping and all of that is explained, and all of this you can go through on the platform itself, right? So they're going to teach you and explain to you what do you need to understand. Now, if you make yourself an account, maybe you're going to land here on this page. So from here, all you got to do is to click on your account button here and then just click on My Doba. Now, you do have to know that you have to get the free trial, but actually it's like 99 cents to get this free trial for a period of time. So it's less than $1, and then you can explore and see whether this is going to be for you or not. But trust me, it is. Doba is one of the best places to go with if you want to go with dropshipping now. And I'll explain why. So you're going to have videos, all right? You're going to have a lot of info. They will make sure that you complete all this. So in order to understand, so you can just move on to the next day. And you can, of course, do this day by day, or you can just, don't worry, you can just complete all of this in one day. But that's not something that I suggest. And every time you're completed, you just mark it as completed. You go to the next task, and then you just watch more videos, and they will explain to you everything. They will lead you through the dashboard. They will just show you what's where. And there's a really good AI hub as well, which I'm going to talk about now. But all you got to do now is to just click the link down there in the description, and right away you can start this 15-day challenge yourself. Now, the AI Tool Hub is a perfect thing for anyone, because first of all, you can build out your store with AI, all right? You can get ready to sell in minutes, right? The AI is going to build out a store for you, and on top of that, you're going to get 10 winning products for yourself, which is really good. And what I really love about Doba is that most of their suppliers, they have warehouses in the US, and that means that the shipping time is going to be low. So it's not going to take a lot of time. Also, they vet the products themselves, all right? It's not like they're just taking all the products from, I don't know, TikTok shops, Temu, Amazon, whatever. They vet the products themselves, so you know that those products are going to work. You know that those products are going to perform well because, well, they did the job. Now, if you want to search these products yourself, if you don't want to use the AI product finder, which is a really good option, this is just going to find the products within your category, within your niche in a matter of seconds. But if you want to search through manually, there's going to be this button here, search products. And I love to use this one because most of the times I can find what's working well on TikTok, and I can just find what's working well with these Temu products, which are really good. I love using Temu nowadays because, well, there's a good profit margin. So yeah, they introduced Temu recently, so it's really good. And on top of that, you've got these high profit items here, you've got top ranking items here, and you've got Amazon selections, Shopify selections. The platform is huge. And as I've told you, all of these products are pre-vetted. You've got everything pre-selected for you. You just have to take something that is going to work well within your niche, right? Whatever you're, doing marketing for, whatever you have audience for, that's all you got to do. And of course, the Doba 15-day challenge is perfect for beginners, as I've told you. Now, if you do want to step up, so when you complete this 15-day challenge, there's going to be more in Doba Elite Academy. So there's a button here. So Doba Elite Academy is for intermediate to master. All right. So when you complete that beginner challenge there, you're ready for Elite Academy. Now, Elite Academy is full of masterclasses. It's full of new info, full of new data. And as you can see, you got to pay for these. The total value of these is going to be it's going to be written here. But what is really good is that if you take the standard package here, which is the best choice, standard package has Doba Elite Academy in it, right? So you can just take advantage of it. You don't have to purchase each one of those masterclasses separately. You can just take this Doba Elite Academy. You can just take the standard package here, and you get Doba Elite Academy, and you get many more things here. You've got Product Finder for more times, and you've got just more value for money. And yeah, apart from these masterclasses, you've got education videos, you've got ebooks. There's a lot of info here. So yeah, from beginner to master, all you have to have is Doba. There's always going to be something new to learn. And of course, whenever you feel stuck, whenever you have a problem, they're going to be here in these boxes. You're always going to find an answer here. There's this chat guru here. You can use it to find the products. There's customer support 24/7. And there's also this webinar, which I suggest you take. I suggest you sign up for it because all of this is structured so you can just learn more, experience more, and be better. You can just focus on your job, focus on what matters the most. They're just going to take away all the trouble that you might have. So yeah, the link is going to be down there in the description. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.